really good. It's really, really good for us. And it's all about, you know, letting go, right? I love letting go. This is cool, steel cut oats. Probably wondering what the hell that is. It's a whole oat groat cut in a mill with a steel. I know, right? It's crazy. But what's so good about them? Where are they? Where are them? Okay, here's oats that we know that are pressed. And steel cut oats look like this. What's really cool about this is they look nothing alike. And people are like, what the hell do I do with them? Well, it's so interesting because if you take an oat groat, which looks like wheat, and you press it, it looks like this, which is pressed whole oats, right? When you take this, which is still an oat groat, which you cut with steel, just cut them in half into like little pieces, and that's what you get. Fascinating. So oats are amazing. I find them to be extraordinary, and they really do fill you up. This is an exceptional porridge, let me just might add. I have soaked this steel cut oats in 2 cups of water overnight. Have a look. Look like oats. They actually look like oats. Now, let me just grab some of these out so you can have a look at the difference of this and this. When I smell these, there's not much smell, and there's not much smell, and they're actually like a whole grain, which I find exceptional. Absolutely exceptional. So soaking them just allows them to soften so they cook quicker. So I'm not standing over the stove for 20,000 million hours. So cool to be able to show you this. So very, very cool. All right, it's hot. Just treat them like a normal porridge, how you cook them. I'm going to use water, not milk. So, and a pinch of salt is the most important ingredient. So, have a look in here to how much water I'm going to use. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, now I need a pinch of salt because salt is going to bring out its beautiful flavour. Salt is just going to enhance the oatiness of the oat. Just a pinch because you don't want it to be savoury, right? It's just a little. I'm bringing it to the boil. And it's starting to simmer now, and now I'm going to add some sultanas, raisins, currants, golden, green, black, doesn't matter, whatever sultanery, raisin, currant thing you can get a hold of. Have a look in here, it's just coming to the simmer. Yeah, I think it's around about 1/4 cup deep. You don't want too many, so I'll just put under 1/4 cup in there. Keep watching, this is good. I want a little bit of cinnamon powder, just for flavour, okay? Just a little splash like this. Okay, that's perfect. A little bit of vanilla, just a little, like 1/2 teaspoon, even less than 1/2 teaspoon. It's not a lot, just a little bit. Really bubbling away. I need a spoon, Cynthia. You need a spoon. Where's the spoon? Okay. Give it a bit of a stir. And it's really boiling now. I don't want the water to evaporate, so I've decided now to turn this right down to a really low simmer. It smells beautiful. And now I'm going to taste that liquid. It's going to be like minutes, right? We've been doing this. Just minutes. Oh my God, the smell of the cinnamon and the vanilla. Oh my God, it's amazing. Okay, no sweetness in there. The oats are not cooked yet. Allow this to cook, watching the water that doesn't evaporate, and let's simmer it for a good 8 to 10 minutes, I reckon. Just being in and out, having a look, freaking excellent for cleaning out your colon. It does smell really good, and it's bloody excellent for cleaning out your colon. It acts like a scrubbing brush, right, in your digestive tract. Have you noticed throughout this entire cleanse it's high fiber? So important. We're not juicing. You know, there's a lot of fiber in the soups, there's a lot of fiber in the smoothies, there's a lot of fiber in the breakfast. It's really good. It's really, really good for us. And it's all about, you know, letting go, right? I love letting go. One of the things that we talk about in health retreats is pooing. I know, right? If you're freaking out, turn me off right now. But it is one of the most, you know, talked about topic on a table at lunch. No joke. No shit. It's like proper. And what I realized for so many years is a lot of people don't poo once or twice or 3 times a day. They might poo once every 2 days. And the digestion, the colon is the river of life. And so as we're putting these amazing, you know, recipes into our body, the river of life starts to flow, you know, slowly. It starts to come back into movement. And the more fiber we have, the more it acts like a scrubbing brush in the colon. It's amazing. Okay, this is starting to stick now. Stay there where we're okay. I'm just going to add a little bit more water because at the time is not up for cooking yet. Just a little bit more water. Just to give it more strength to really get those oats nice and soft. They're chewy, nutty. They're really delicious. All right, another couple of minutes. And we'll serve it up. We are ready to eat these, and I'm so glad that I soaked them because my girlfriend, Chef Yelena, who's a macrobiotic chef of all things glory. Google that. Macrobiotic chefing is a universal concept of yin and yang, acid and fat. It's really fascinating. She's an amazing chef. She taught me, soak it, cook it, soak it. So I'm so stoked that she did this. Okay, here we go. Straight into my bowl. And I definitely want some coconut milk. You can choose whatever milk you like. I'm using coconut throughout the series. Syrup because I want that sweetness. And then I've got some coconut yogurt. Oh my god, I want some more maple syrup. Oh my god, and I want some hemp seeds. That's it. This is it. Very happy with this. Very nurturing. Very grounding meal. And don't forget to chew. Oh my gosh, I can't remind you enough of that because we get in there and we just kind of scoff it in and inhale our food. We've got to chew it. Because this is a chewing moment. This is not pre-digestible, do you know what I mean? You've got to chew. It's really good. It's very nutty. See you in the next video.